this hell? Oh shit.
Hello.
What's up?
Hello.
Pot out?
Whee! Oh, what the fuck?
I'm thinking about going to tower.
Oh, I'm a dumbass.
You guys want
Wait,
to go to
don't
tower?
follow me. Let me just see if I can try to kill a group. I've done it before.
You've killed someone before?
I killed a whole group before.
Now, is this in real life or in the game?
Oh no, not in real life.
Oh,
God,
thank
no.
God. Thank you. Thought I was...
Why would I ever do that?
Just kidding.
Oh.
One down.
I'm running out of battery. Okay.
You guys want to help me get this guy, or... That's alright. He's mine.
Hello. Hey. Hey.
What's up?
Hello.
Can we
Hello.
talk?
Hello. Yeah, we
I
can
I don't
talk.
wish to fight. I don't
Okay.
wish to fight.
I killed someone else. Oh, there's a third. Alright, I just took out a whole squad. Is that what you said you did earlier?
Yeah.
Nice.
I've done it like maybe around 4 times.
Well, I like the matchmaking
Battle
on
zone is
this
now
level
shrinking.
so far.
Yo.
It's good. There's some bananas and stuff here. I don't know if you need. Sounds like someone's either at work or at a party.
Oh, yo.
Got him for 70. 70 again. He's almost down.
Got him.
Alright. There's another one. Got her for 70.
Okay. Wait, where am I being shot?
Got him.
Got him for 70.
Okay.
Got him.
Nice. Well done.
Yeah.
Had some good loot.
Can't believe I fucking did that.
I kind of helped.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you.
got it. I just hit him for 70 a couple times, and then he did the rest. Alrighty then.
Need ammo.
What kind?
Assault rifle.
I have. Who's that? Which one? Need it? Come to YK if you need ammo. I got some. The yellow?
Yeah. Yeah, the yellow one. Thank you, sir.
Yep. You see a sword.
Oh, there's a sword?
If you see one, yeah, I don't... Oh. Yeah,
They make
makes-
you run faster.
Yeah, 25%.
The swords
sick.
make you run faster. Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna head in the tower, I guess. Could really use that sword.
I have a knife.
Yeah, nah. It only makes you run like 10% faster. The sword is 25%.
Oh, okay.
And it does 75 per hit. Purple P90. I think I will take that.
Oh shit. What was that?
I'm coming.
Oh, there's a sword! There's a sword!
Yeah, I got it. Nice.
Ah, sick, I want one.
Oh wait, I need this. Oh yes, this is what I need.
You want that gold
Sweet.
weapon right here? It's pretty good.
Let me... Yeah, I should.
Alright, we gotta get to the zone.
No, get to the chopper!
I'm just gonna try not to die.
Basically, that's the whole concept of the game.
3 squads remaining.
They'll just automatically make you run faster, or do you need to like press something?
As long as you're not swinging it, you just have to hold it and not swing it. And then
Oh,
make you run
okay.
faster. If you're swinging, it slows you down to normal speed.
Battle zone is now shrinking.
Scheiße. I don't know what to get rid of. But I definitely need a banana. Here, you want this weapon? It's really good.
Let me... Yeah.
Alright, there's only 3 people left, guys. Let's do this. Where are they?
Yay!
There's a rocket launcher up here if you guys want one.
It doesn't do enough damage for my liking.
I'll take it.
I hear.
Don't you just
footsteps.
love murder?
He's over here.
I'm climbing. I think I got him.
Nice.
Yeah.
You got one, yeah.
Now there's only 2 left. Alright, I'm gonna move in. If you hear reviving, he's right here.
Oh.
Nice.
Yay.
So there's basically one person left.
Yeah, let's go find his ass. He could be like the best player in the thing, because I'm pretty sure.
Well, if that's the case, we're fucked. So.
Let's see if I hear him.
Rocket launcher.
He shot a rocket launcher?
No, I see one.
Oh. Yeah, it's alright. They don't do enough damage.
Oh, okay.
Personally, I like them.
Oh, here he is.
You see him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait. Wait. What the? Okay, that wasn't.
Okay. Oh, I see him.
Where is he?
Good
Oh,
game.
He's
nice.
over here.
Woo!
Yay!
Can I add you as friend?
Yeah, sure.
Oh shit! Hell yeah!
Good game.